Inspired by nature itself, HanStone's river wash finish captures the essence of our planet through touch, delivering a distinctive tactile experience. Coast, Terra, and Storm seek to remind us of those moments when we take the time to reconnect with the earth. Storm echoes the relaxing sound of rain. It reminds us of the importance of being still. It captures the allure of the great outdoors with rich tonal hues, and it's layered with quiet movement that's bold yet balanced. Its white marbling, it's windswept across its base, allowing for striking dimension and depth. Terra recreates a feeling of rejuvenation that can only be felt through a hike in the woods. It's as if it's extracted from the earth and formed to play itself. It seeks to echo the warmth of the land. It's a deep, warm tone with subtle movement, and it's a true study of our planet's beauty. Coast calls to mind the calm felt while digging your toes into the sand. It's a snapshot of nature's beauty. Its warm hue is the perfect balance to its surroundings, seamlessly blending in to create a space that will be cherished for a lifetime. Its neutral, sandy background is dappled with a soft pearl veining that allows for a sophisticated, casual look that brings calmness and harmony to any space. I encourage you to break down barriers, blur the line between interior and exterior, bring the outdoors in, and reconnect to our planet through touch with HanStone's River Wash Finish.